My name is Mike Kim. I'm an assistant professor in Ocean and Mechanical Engineering department. Biodiesel is a vegetable oil or animal fat, which can be extracted from crops or a microalgae. And it is important of alternative energy because we can use it to our commercial vehicles, which means we don't need to modify anything. And also, it has lower carbon footprint. So if you imagine the corns, one of the source of biodiesel, if you need to grow corns, you need a large field. But microalgae, you don't need a large field, which means with the same amount of area, we can produce about 3 orders of magnitude higher higher amount of biodiesel with microalgae compared to corn. So it has high oil yield per area. So we want to test the effectiveness of microbubbles for growing microalgae. So we want to study the effect of size to the growth rate of microalgae. So what we designed was we created small chamber containing stationary microalgae, and then we plan to provide those CO2 bubbles to microalgae. CO2 is a source of food for microalgae. So we want to provide CO2 to the microalgae. So if you have a large bubble, then we have a limited surface area. That means microalgae only eat that surface area. However, if you have a large number of microbubbles, then we can increase surface area a lot. That means we can provide CO2 to the microalgae at faster rate. So one objective is to improve the growth rate of microalgae. The second one is to improve the separation efficiency of microalgae after growth. If you have a denser material and if you spin around, then the denser material will go toward the outer channel wall, and then a lighter substance will toward to inner channel. So microalgae is a little denser than water. That means if you have a spiral channel, at the end of channel we have a kind of fork. So the denser one will go outer, and then lighter one will go inner. This research is still ongoing. We found that for microalgae separation, a lot of parameters can control its efficiency. For example, pH, concentration, and temperature are most important parameters to increase the separation efficiency.